Many people have the charismatic fashion to lead and empower others through political endeavors, and they feel they can impact their communities and can address real and drastic changes. But there are still people, aka political leaders, who are adrenalized to bring change that can benefit themselves, not the people they lead. Why is that? Today I am shining some light on the matter of power. Watch this short video series as we highlight some truth and strategies. This video is sponsored by Foco Digital and voiced by one of the most prolific actors in the media industry. This is a series of recorded clips of powerful words that define us and make us better. Today's word is about power.
I am not interested in power for power's sake, but I am interested in power that is moral, that is right, and that is good, said Martin Luther King Jr. Ironically, people who acquire political power are dangerous, corrupted, and morally ill. They are hidden, aka covered up through their negative emotions of anger, stress, and selfishness to prove them right. They sadden and intimidate their opponents through fear, sarcasm, and political dramas. However, with the power of love, they can conquer peace, confidence, and moral goodness. Since there is no limit to the power of love, and its infinite limit is through the love of God, it can bring you closer to Him as we serve others, and we will find ordinances to lead with the power of love. Because when power is obtained through acts of love, it is effectively permanent, and its fruits are succulent, majestic, and honorable. God's goodness and mercy will reign in on us and will proclaim victory over the shadows of darkness. But how power can be a double sword when misused? What seems a fair approach to it? The love of power makes us act so irrational and can lead us to disastrous outcomes when we go unchecked. If we don't have humility and a moral compass, we can become enemies of good and persecute all opposing forces. We will think that we have sublime power to command and dictate all of our fellow humans with no counsel, no karma rule, and no idea on evil for good. No man can achieve unlimited power unless to fall victim or be corrupted of its excessive use, or abuse others if allowed. He with great power should use it lightly and carefully to avoid that it backfires on him. We often hear that knowledge is power, then we must use it with tact and intelligently once acquired. As we apply it into our actions and use that information to benefit us, it liberates and empowers us. However, we must seek wisdom through education, empowerment through knowledge, and power through love if we need to harvest greater life's outcomes. Only then power will be useful and give us greater joy and happiness.
Thanks for watching and listening this series of clips of words that define us. We truly enjoy sharing these strategies and truth of powerful words that can make a difference in all of us. This clip is brought to you by our sponsor Foco Digital. Want to start selling more coupons locally and advertise your product offering online? Download the Foco app and visit their website at www.focodigitalcorp.com. Want to see more clips? Then support our sponsor so we can create more of them and make them available at no cost to you.